What's up, y'all? This your boy, the Dreaded Geek. I'm back today. We got a Google Pixel 9 Pro at sale. Just a quick unboxing. Put that to the side. See what we got here. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is what we came for right here. This is what we came for. All right, let's see what else we got. Okay. You got your USB Type-C cable. Got your little information pack. SIM key. Put that to the side. Whoo! Y'all, just picking this up is solid. This is solid. And currently, I have the 7 Pro at sale. This is 7 Pro, I mean. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Yeah. Wow. This phone, yeah, it's solid. I like the chrome edges. Round tips. Got the bigger screen. Yeah, mama, this is real nice. Yeah, this is real nice, mama. Whew. Oh, man, I can't wait to get this set up. Can't wait. Damn. I'm shocked. I mean, like I said, I'm coming from the 7 Pro, then going to this. Let me say this. If you're looking for an upgrade, because I didn't go to the Pro 8, but if you're looking for an upgrade like from the 7 Pro, you want to get this. You want to get this. You won't be disappointed. And this is the hazel color. And this has 256 gigabytes of storage. But you want to get this phone. Just from the unboxing, I think you should get this phone. That's just my opinion. But if you got any questions or concerns, put them in the comments below. If you like this video, like it, subscribe to the channel. Like I said, we back. More videos to come. But I had to do a quick unboxing on this phone. Oh my goodness. Yeah, you won't be disappointed if you got this. You won't. I'm telling you, you won't. All right, till next time, geek out.